Hey guys, how are you all doing? I hope each and every one of you watching this video right now is doing good. Myself Agneva Maiti and I welcome you back to our YouTube channel. तो आज हम बात करेंगे ESM and SIMS के बारे में for this upcoming February DNS batch. And yes, this will be the third video in our ongoing series, which is FEB batch company analysis series. So without any further ado, let's get on with today's video. So firstly, if I talk about the company in itself, ESM, which stands for Executive Ship Management, it is a management company. As the name suggests, it is a management company whose headquarters is in Singapore, with offices spread all over the world in 11 countries, and it has more than 220 plus vessels in their fleet right now. Alright, now if I talk about the cadets, where these cadets are trained, like the ESM cadets, where are they trained? They're trained in a particular institute in Lonavala, their own institute, which is SIMS. Yes, the very well-known Samudra Institute of Maritime Studies. Now this was established in the year 2005, and the courses which are offered at SIMS are GME, DNS, BTech Marine Engineering, and also ETO. Now if I talk about the DNS eligibility criteria, for plus 2 candidates, you have to score a minimum of 60% in your class 12th in PCM, and also the physics and maths aggregate score should be above 60. And apart from this, you have to also score individually 50 minimum, a minimum of 50 in physics and maths as well. For English, it is the same as IMUCET. You have to score a minimum of 50% in 10th or 12th.
Hey guys, आप लोग वीडियो तो देख रहे हो, पर क्या आपने फॉर्म भरा? नहीं राइट, ऑल्सो स्किप नहीं होगा, इट्स नॉट एन एड. आफ्टर ऑल आपकी हेल्प के लिए ही है, चाहे मर्चेंट नेवी रिलेटेड बेसिक डाउट्स हो या प्रिपरेशन में हेल्प चाहिए हो. Our mentors are always there for you. So fill the form in the description and like this video before you go.
Also, NIUS students are not eligible to apply for SIMS, and if you're going in for improvement examinations, you are eligible provided you complete your improvement examinations from the same board. For graduates who want to apply for DNS in SIMS, if in case you are a BE or BTech graduate, you have to score a minimum of 50% in your final year. And if you are a BSc PCM or BSc Electronics with PCM graduate, you have to score a minimum of 55% in your final year and an overall aggregate of 60%. There is a eyesight requirement also set down by SIMS, which is you have to have 6x6 eyesight on both your eyes. And apart from this, the age limit states that if you are a 12th pass out candidate, your age should be 17 to 20. For BSc graduates, your age should be less than 22, and for BE BTech graduates, your age should be less than 25 while joining the course. Alright, if I talk about the selection procedure, again it is the same, almost the same as Great Eastern. The writtens are conducted in online mode. It is a home-based test, and your interviews are taken in offline mode by particular centers mentioned by the company in itself. Now, if I talk about the waiting period and the stipend offered by ESM, the waiting ranges from 8 to 12 months, and the stipend ranges from about $350 to $400. Like, this is the stipend offered to a deck cadet on board ESM vessels. So my conclusion for this company would be, it is good. You can go for it. Like Samudra being a very old institute, and Executive Ship Management is also a good company, a very good company, I would say. A slight problem for this company would be the waiting period. At the same time, if you score good in your DNS course as well, the chances of you getting on board is higher. So yes, if in case you have no choices and you have a good PCM, like the fitting in the eligibility criteria, and also IMUCET rank. As you know, FEB batch has no IMUCET. You have to retain the IMUCET which you had given in August 2024. You should surely go for it. And for any guidance regarding IMUCET or sponsorship, or you want a one-to-one session with mentors like us, you can just fill the form in the description box below. Yes, that will be it from my side for today. Thank you and have a great day.
Do you guys want the updates regarding the exam forms or the maritime industry in general? या फिर एग्जाम्स के लिए मोटिवेशन चाहिए, then you definitely need to follow our Instagram channel for all this stuff and much more.
Want the best notes and material for IMUCET and sponsorship exams? Want daily quizzes? Or do you want your doubts about your merchant navy career solved by our mentors? Search Budding Mariners on Telegram or click on the link in the description below to start your marina journey with us today.